Have you ever felt like your mind wanted sex, but your body didn't cooperate? Or the opposite, your body goes into overdrive and it feels hard to control? What if pleasure isn't this all or nothing on and off switch, but actually something you can train? As a clinical sexologist, I want to let you in on a secret that really shouldn't be. So here's the reframe. Pleasure is dose dependent. The same pleasure chemistry that fuels orgasm also shows up in micro pleasures like sunlight on your skin, a warm hug, a good laugh, music, and movement. So instead of thinking of arousal like a light switch on or off, think of it more like a dimmer. Your body can learn to receive small doses of pleasure and build capacity over time towards that intense pleasure that we're all longing for through orgasmic, sensual, arousing pleasure. During sexual pleasure, your body releases chemicals like dopamine, oxytocin, endogenous opioids, and prolactin to give you that ooey gooey, melting, satisfied, relaxed feeling during and after orgasm. But these aren't only sexual. They're part of how humans feel reward, safety, bonding, and enjoyment every day. If you've ever thought, I just don't think I have spontaneous desire, maybe I'm broken. Well, many people also experience responsive desire, desire that arises after cues like emotional connection, safety, flirting, and touch. Or maybe you experience some combination of spontaneous and very, cultivated desire. The good news is you can cultivate desire and arousal by setting up the right internal and external conditions so that your body becomes more reliable for arousal, pleasure, and play. If you're noticing you're stuck in persistent hypoarousal, like numbness, low libido, difficulty with orgasm, or hyperarousal, like pain, spasm, premature ejaculation, compulsive thoughts, sexual thoughts, this can sometimes be your nervous system running a protective threat response. It's not your body failing you, it may be your body trying to keep you safe. So here's the good news. With the right support, you can decouple triggers that are creating these protective reflexes and reclaim the ease, confidence, and pleasure again in your body at every stage of life, from postpartum to menopause to new relationships and old relationships. If this resonates, I'm Maria Chung, clinical sexologist at Proactive Pelvic Health Centers. Reach out if you want support because you deserve to feel at home in your body.